talking about sequencing. These are examples of what, everybody?
Gardening.
Nope. What are these words called? Sequencing words. What are they called? Yeah, we have words like first, next, then, next, then, and finally. Those are words that you say when you're telling a story of like events that happen. So, in your book, you are looking at page 232 and 233. My friends in my classroom are looking at these two pages, and then myself and my friends at home are on page 246. We are going to write what happens when you plant a garden, steps for planting a garden. First, next, then, next, then finally. They have already given us 3 examples. So we're going to basically be filling in the blanks here of the steps that they were missing when they wrote this, okay? So, on page 232, what does it say first? What is the first thing they tell you to do? We even underlined it yesterday. Yes, sir.
Smooth soil with a rake.
Smooth the soil with a rake. Do I need to write the word first again?
No.
No, they already have it for me. So first, smooth the soil. Remember, you in my classroom, you're not writing this. You're just looking up here. Smooth the soil with a rake. What goes at the end of a sentence?
Period.
Period. Good job. Punctuation. Good job. Yes.
I'm underlining it.
Okay, that's a good idea. You can underline it on your story if you want, or if you'd like to take out your highlighter, you can also do that. That's fine. Because we're probably not going to get to the highlighting today, which is totally fine. Okay, so first we smooth the soil with a rake. Next, they gave us this answer. In your story, you should see this sentence. Remove rocks, sticks, or trash. Do you guys see that in your story?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do they say after that? Then what do you do after you remove all the gunky stuff from the soil? Yes, sir. Cover the soil with compost. Who can tell me? Here's a trick question. Synonym means the
Same.
Who can tell me a synonym for soil? Synonym for soil. Synonym for soil. Yes, ma'am.
Damp
Damp
dirt.
dirt. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Damp dirt. Soil is just the dirt. Go dig in the dirt. Go dig in the soil. It's the same thing. Good job. I owe you a Skittle. Yes, sir. What? Soil is kind of like trash. Yeah. What's this little bug? Get that out of here. Yes.
I know something how you can make
Uh-huh.
compost. You
Tell me.
can, set up 2 sticks.
Uh-huh.
First you get a barrel,
Uh-huh.
and then you get 2 sticks. You put the sticks in the ground, put the barrel over top the sticks,
Mm-hmm.
and then you roll it with trash in it, and
Yeah.
then it can be compost.
Yeah. Good job. Yeah.
I kind of do that.
That's awesome. Yes, sir. Yeah, soil and mud are the same thing. Good job. All right, they told us. Then we water the...
Soil.
Do you see that in your story?
Yeah.
Then water it to make it moist, but not
Soggy.
soggy. Remember, soggy means really wet. Okay? The next page, 233. To plant seeds, take a small stick and make rows. So they said next, make rows and small holes. Make holes the right depth for the seeds. Larger seeds should be down about 1 inch. Smaller seeds should stay at the top of the soil. So what should I write next? We have then, after we make the rows and the small holes, what should I write next? Look in paragraph 13. It tells me Yeah, hold on. What do we do before we put the seeds in the soil? What should we do? Yes, sir.
We make the holes.
Okay, we made rows and small holes. Down here, it's kind of confusing, but in paragraph 13, it says, I'll flip back for us. Paragraph 13, it says, check the soil. Okay, so we need to check the soil, and then they want us to put 2 or more seeds in each hole. So they didn't really do it in order, but that's okay. So what do we need to do before we put the seeds in the hole? Check the soil. I need to make sure it's not too wet and not too dry. So then I check the soil. And then after I check the soil, what can I finally do? Finally, I can plant the seeds. Good job. Plant the seeds. So first I smooth the soil with a rake. Next, remove rocks, sticks, or
Trash.
then cover the soil with,
Compost.
then water the,
Soil.
next make rows and small,
Holes.
then I check the,
Soil.
and finally I can plant the seed. So this is the steps in a process of planting a garden, and we looked at these sequencing words and we used the words from the story to finish it, right? Good job.